what I want to say is thank you to my 6 new subscribers. It doesn't seem a lot, but honestly, to me, it makes a massive difference. So I really appreciate everyone that's subscribed. I know we've got 81 now. So every single week, obviously, I'm going to give you an update, whether it be one, none. I really appreciate you guys, honestly. Oh, nice car. Wait there. Oh my God, I need to wipe this lid. Inside of it is filthy. Oh, little spots everywhere. Hey-oh, bikers. Yes, lads. Right, so we're going to go up to J&S now. Have a look at some new gloves. That looks happy, doesn't he? Oh, mate, you got another biker there. Out in force today. Oh, biker friend. So going to J&S, going to J&S. I mean, I've been riding for about a year now, right? And I love it. I absolutely love it. Like, you know, it's just so much freedom. You know, like, oh, just freedom. Go wherever you want. You know, do whatever you want. Think about whatever you've got to think about. You know, no worries. Just you, the road. You know, and not only that, but you know, I'm trying to become a big YouTube star. You know, can it be done? Can I achieve YouTube stardom at nearly 40? I suppose you have to get a following first. Now, one thing that I never ever see out there is something that I was thinking about this the other day. But I've got a few friends who have passed away on motorbikes. You know, and I still ride, obviously. I've still gone out, done my lessons, and you know, like I said, I've got people who passed away. But one thing that I never see is like some sort of charity that helps the families that have lost a rider. You know, I mean, obviously it's the worst case scenario. Like, it's so I wouldn't want to even think about it for my family, or and I know, like, life insurance and stuff like that. But what about the emotional support? And just, it's kind of like, well, they passed away. All right, see you later. Well done. I'm sorry, but you get your little bit of money, but it's not all about that. It's about, you've got your emotional support that your family will need. If they've got kids, like, the kids are gonna never see their father again. And I don't want to say this to put people off riding, because you know, if you're careful, and you know, accident can happen any time. It can be, you know, an accident in your car. You know, so it doesn't really matter. But what I'm saying to you is that there's no sort of, I mean, if I had my way and I was massive on YouTube, and you know, I had a sustainable income for where, you know, I could make a difference, I could guarantee you now I'd be setting something up, you know, whether it be just you know, a little bit, but a little bit helps, doesn't it? You know, I mean, it could be for, I don't know, childcare, for example, for the parents, because they're going to have to, you know, they might have to go back to work or whatever. Do you know what I mean? But things like that, I never see anything. Now, let me know. I mean, you know, there could be things out there, but I personally never see stuff like that. And you know, if I had my way, if I was like, obviously, you know, the size of bloody Mr. Beast, which that's not going to happen, is it? But I mean, you know, these are the things that I would try and do. You know, instead of doing like these, you know, I know some YouTubers do giveaways and stuff like that, and I suppose, yeah, to get the, you know, the channel growing, kind of understand that, because I haven't even got one subscriber yet, and yeah, so something like that would be amazing, you know, to have the potential to help other people, and as a community on YouTube do that. You know, YouTube are the ones, you know, the people who are viewing this content are the ones doing it, not me. You know, yeah, obviously the video's out there, but you know, it's like the viewers, without the viewers doing it, you know, if I only have one subscriber, can't be done, can it? You know, if I had 1 million, well, then it's achievable. But it's like, can you imagine just the ability to help people just by watching a video? It's insane, isn't it? That's 2025 is, you know, and that's insane. But you know, for now, we'll live in reality. I'm gonna go to J&S and basically, yeah, to go and have a look at some new gloves. I've already got some Alpine style ones, but I've been seeing these SP8s, I think they are. I really like the look of them, and I kind of want something a bit more protective for the bottom of my hands. So yeah, I'm gonna go and have a look at them. Hopefully, if I like them, then I'll get them. If I don't, then yeah, it'll be at least you might get to see J&S. Right, so we're nearly at J&S now. We're just around the corner, so we're gonna, well, I'd say just around the corner, about a minute or so. So yeah, we're gonna go and have a look and see what there is. Like I say, I mean, hopefully, I bet it'll be busy, to be honest. It seems like a half decent day. Just seen some riders back then. It seems fairly warm, from 19 degrees, so yeah, it's not bad. It's only 9:30. So yeah, we're gonna go in here, go and check out these new bad boy gloves. The old SP8s. Like I said, the reason I'm going here is because they've got them on offer at the moment, or did have. I think they're about 130 quid down to 70, and these are one of the only places that have them on offer. So yeah, we're going to go and have a look at them. And like I said, but I can't really spend a lot of money today, mainly because I've just, because I love wasting money. I've just bought a Switch 2 for work. So yeah, I mean, I'm going to tell everyone it's for the kids, but yeah, it's kind of for me, for work really. But yeah, so I've got to be, you know, can't spend too much. I've got to see. And then here we are. old J&S there. Let's see how busy it is. Got a funny feeling. Oh, it's not going to be that busy actually. Well, saying that, I mean, it is only 9:30. Oh, look at that. It's a nice bike, that, isn't it? Right, so let's have a quick look at these bikes. Oh, you got a new Daytona there, 660. All these lovely bikes here. That's a nice bike. It's nice, that is.
Yeah, it's, I've had it about 2 years now.
Oh yeah?
2.5 years ago, it new. And it's great for on day. Taking a look around on it.
Yeah. Looks nice. I'd always want one something like that, but yeah.
Easy to ride, all the weight slowed down.
Yeah.
It's 2.5 easy. So, yeah.
That's the problem I have with the weight. I can barely pick this up.
That's probably lower than this.
Yeah. Yeah, it does look like a nice bike.
Yeah.
Right, take care, buddy. There you go. So yeah, apologise that we didn't get a video in there. The staff are all pretty busy, so I don't really want to disturb them with me looking at gloves and recording it and so forth. So next time we go, we'll get a video in there, hopefully. I'm sure they would have said yeah. So guys, that was J&S. Unfortunately we couldn't get a video in there with me trying gloves on, being the little hand model, but maybe next time. Yeah, I appreciate everyone watching. Give us a follow and a like, that would be appreciated. Like I said, I mean, I've got what, 6 new subscribers for the last week or so, so thank you very much for you guys, and obviously the old subscribers as well, you know, the OGs. And let's yeah, hopefully we can grow this channel and, you know, start doing some more interesting things, you know, things that you guys want to see. So if there is anything that you guys want to see, then, you know, this is the channel for you guys. So yeah, let us know in the comments. I appreciate it. Thank you.